Down the hoses we put in yesterday with the release valve. You can see where it ends down there. So now he's covered up the pipe and he's compacting it with the machine so that it won't get ruined. That's one downspout, and that's the next. So we finished last night, but it was too dark to film, so I'm going to film it now. See where it catches there, comes down, elbows. Oh, you're just in time because you're watching a Perma Blitz. We only do these once a year. So we're starting the first hugel bed on her design. That's what he's doing right now. So he digs down. Let me come show you. He digs down, and what he digs from there, he's putting over to the left. Then he's going to bury logs down there. Then we're going to cover that with manure. Really good horse manure. Logs are going to go in the ground. They retain the moisture. This is going to create like a forest floor, but we're speeding it up. She collected all these trees. She literally collected everything. We teach you how to collect from all over Utah what you need.
How long has she been working on collecting?
They come for 6 months, and she just starts collecting when she knows what her design will be. We teach them how to do it. Yep. So he's going to do one entire hula bed right here. Okay. Then he'll go over and get some logs. He'll bury them nice and even at the bottom. Then we're going to fill in every gap with lots of good manure to decompose and speed up its composition. Just like when a tree falls in the forest, you see. And Paige is here as well from our Tuesday night class with Karen. So they're excited to get Karen's in, and then we'll work on Paige's. It's really fun. It is, isn't it? We love having Perma Blitzes and showing people exactly survey the property, find contour lines, find the water sources, everything of what's available on your property. Everybody's property is different. Everybody's design is completely different. So that's why you come to school, so you can learn how to look at it and work with what you have.
How far down is he digging?
He's probably going to go about 2 to 3 feet. He's going to go pick up some wood and put it into our hugel bed. Woohoo! Watch what the machine can do. It's amazing. We did a school last year, and it had huge wide stumps, and he moved it with the machine like it was nothing. It was amazing. Watch. He's going to take that big monster thing, and he's going to, be careful. He's going to take it over there. It's beautiful to watch. Look at that, how he knows how to work that machine. He's been doing this since he was in diapers as far as landscaping. We love Joshua, and he loves to do this once a year.
Look at, huh?
Yeah, he loves doing this because you don't get to do this in normal people's gardens.
Oh my gosh.
They would go, what? What are you doing? Class. Yeah. This group here is graduating now because, see, he's starting to line the bottom like this, and he's going to fill in all the gaps he can at the bottom. Just like when you plant a tree, you don't want those air pockets underneath, and then all in between the branches. So what he's doing is he's making sure that everything gets nice and covered on the bottom of the hugel bed. He's going to lay that one flat. So fun. Look at Karen go. Woohoo! She's having fun on her farm. Making hugel beds. Hugel beds, hugel beds. We're starting on the second hugel bed as we finish filling in the first. So we got Walker here. Told us this used to be a barn right here with cows before Karen bought the property. So she's teaching Walker what we're doing.
And then there'll be another one there.
Right there. As we're going to get more material. And we're soaking it good. And we're filling in all the gaps with good manure right there. Go Josh, go Josh. Woohoo! Way to go, guys! Woohoo! Way to go! I'm always impressed with my students. And Joshua, he's the man. We can't do hugel beds and we can't do Perma Blitzes without Joshua. There's no way we could ever do this. Probably in his 50s, I'm guessing. Yeah. So here is Utah Valley Permaculture Classroom Gardens, Permaculture Design School, and Elle on her first Perma Blitz. Woo! She's learning. And as we're rebuilding and saving the planet here with a food forest across the street, the money-making neighbor that wants to bring tourists to a petting zoo and a parking lot is burning the best apple wood and just destroying wonderful resources on the planet, polluting the sky. It's just really sad. There he is, he's burning. So, on top of this manure, we got somebody bringing a trailer full of manure. Woo! Aw. Our cute little farmer coming. with all these beautiful logs. Woo! We love you. Look at those beautiful logs. Wow. Thank you. Okay, we're digging the third hugel bed now. As we're finishing the first one. I just love this. Is this not just a beautiful sight? Our first Perma Blitz in Sugar House 5 years ago. Yeah. Everything done by hand. 25 people. How big was it? They were hugel beds about this length, and we did about 4 or 5 of them for real. 25 people did it all by hand all day. I was so impressed. That was my first Perma Blitz. Wow. Yeah. I was like, I want to do these. I want to do these all over. And now we're on our 4th. Woohoo! We go. Beautiful sight. Yahoo. If you had something to say about your day at the Perma Blitz, what would it be? Let's start with Karen.
I'm fist deep in gratitude and manure.
Literally.
Tired.
Tired.
No, excuse me.
And you're working on a 40-acre design. That's beautiful. Yep. Marcy and Josh.
It was really cool to work with everyone today. I love that. I know I lost some steam.
You guys did amazing. How about you, Josh? That's wonderful, Josh. You guys work so hard. Alden family. We're missing the girls, but yeah. I think we need to have a Perma Blitz on your place for a week long. What do you think, you guys? They're 7 acres.
It's just easier to do with equipment.
Well, yeah, we'll definitely do equipment, but we'd love to come and be part of it. Wouldn't that be fun? Never. They can never do by hand. You got it back okay. Woo! Now, you're the most important one here. Can we ask you, what do you think about what we just did?
It's awesome.
You like it? Oh, I'm so glad to hear. It was beautiful.
People are really awesome.
Aren't they amazing? They really are. They're good people. Way to go, guys. Thank you. He's our hero.
Thank you.
Yes.
Come back,
And eat.
and look.
And enjoy.
Yep. Okay. When
He will. He wants to
later
check
in
them
the
out.
summer, we'll have a big bar.
We are inoculated. We have inoculated our black-eyed peas and our flax. We have our legume, nitrogen, and we have our flax grain that we will put all over the hugel beds, along with some azomite powder. But there was so much water poured into here that we're just getting mostly seeds, and then we'll bring the bottle. Now we're putting the azomite powder, mineral powder, and we're starting to plant our perennial berry bushes and grapevines on our hugel beds. And the last one there, I'm going to add a couple more too. And any other seeds she wants to put down. And then we're going to put some comfrey next to the grapevines, because that's where we'll know we'll put a tree.